The 2023 real estate numbers are in, and I think we finally have our answer to, did the market crash or is it about to crash? Welcome, my name is Matt Sloan, and I'm a realtor here in the Greater Toronto area. If you're still interested in learning more after this video, you can go into the link in the first description below and book a call with me at a time that works best for you. Oh yeah, and if you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Now, I'll warn you, I'm still trying to get better and work on these YouTube videos, especially when it comes to showing these charts and graphs that I'm going to go over explaining the market stats. But trust me, you want to stay with me on this because understanding and knowing these trends will really put you in a great position and understanding when it comes to making a decision within real estate. If you would like these upcoming charts and graphs that I'm going to show you sent to you to have a closer look, comment below or send me a DM and I'll be happy to share them with you. So let's get into it here. All right, so this first dot chart is one of my favorites because it really shows the trend of the average sale price here in the Greater Toronto area. And on this chart specifically, we have from September 2019 to December 2023. And one of the things I wanted to point out is if you notice how the market has stabilized and bounced back after each peak and correction. So this most recent one, if we look at spring 2023, the market had a little spike due to fixed interest rates going down. And if we look that after in the summer, once the interest rates started to go back up, we saw a slight correction and the market stabilize again going into the fall in these winter months back in 2023. But if we pull up this next chart, which shows the monthly sales data, it will really show, we can see what happened to the average sale price when the months of inventory went down in the spring of 2023. So it's really interesting to see how sensitive the market was in relation to the interest rates. So if we see here, once interest rates started going back up in the summer and in the fall, the months of inventory really started to go back up. And this wasn't just a seasonal trend. As mentioned, it was due to the fixed rates coming down in the spring, and then eventually the Bank of Canada raising the overnight lending rate in the summer, and then fixed rates kind of following that trend into the fall here of 2023. So we can also notice since September 23, the months of inventory has started to trend downwards. So again, since we have seen the average sale price go down, the months of inventory have also go up. But now this past month of December, a lot of things were taken off the market and buyers starting to come back in now that the fixed interest rates have started to go down again. We have seen months of inventory actually trend downward. So we had 3 months of inventory, if you can notice here, in the month of December 2023 leading into January 2024. And also we can see how the average sale price actually held in December compared to November 2023. These next stats here, these are the Greater Toronto Area market stats for 2023. So this shows the average sale price for all of the GTA for all of 2023. And we can see that the year ended at an average sale price of 1.126 million. This shows that the price was down 5.4%, but a lot due to the huge peak we had in early 2022. So of course, when we match 2022 to 2023, we'll have a downward average sale price. But again, we got to remember that early 2022, we were seeing record prices. So of course, the average price was going to come down once we had a bit of a correction. But all in all, the average price was down 5.4%. We can also see that the number of sales were just under 66,000 for all of 2023. This was the least amount of sales we had in over 20 years. So it may be safe to assume that we might have a little pent-up demand going into this 2024 year, but time will tell. Here we have a closer look at December. So those last stats were for all of 2023. This is specifically for December 2018, December 2019, 2020, 21, 22, and December 23 that just passed. So one thing that stands out is the average price actually increased slightly since 2022. So did the market crash in 2023 like lots were anticipating? It doesn't seem like it. When you compare the average price to a year ago, we're actually up about 3%. So the cool thing about this chart is that it shows the history and the trends. And one trend that jumps out is when we had a similar peak and correction in 2017 as 2022, we can notice the following years are similar. So if we look here at 2018, we had over 11,000 active listings and 3 months of inventory. And in 2023, it is very similar. So if we follow that trend, 2024 may actually be pretty similar to 2019, where we will see quite a dip in inventory and increase in average price. Again, this is following the trends and gives us a little picture of what we might be seeing in the year ahead. Now, reflecting on these trends, it's remarkable to note the resilience and the strength of the housing market. Even amidst economic uncertainties, the housing market has continually adapted and evolved, presenting both challenges and opportunities for buyers and sellers alike. As we navigate through 2024, the real estate market promises a mix of stability and subtle shifts. While the rise in home prices might be gradual, the market dynamics influenced by interest rates and localized trends will continue to play a crucial role. Prospective homeowners and investors should stay informed and agile, ready to adapt the ever-changing landscape of the housing market. I hope this gives a little bit of a clearer picture of what actually happened in the real estate market in 2023 and helps with understanding what may be in the year ahead. If you have any questions, or as I mentioned, would like any of the charts and stats that were shown in this video, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.